This is the specialty toolbox. Here I just got torque wrenches, screw extractors, multimeter bit kits. These are low profile wrench drive torque set. Actually pretty neat. I like using them. They come in handy for tight areas. My stool. Over here, electrical, wire strippers, crimpers, tension, jumper leads, power probe tray, test lights. These are for cleaning terminals. They're like a tweezer style. This is just a random box of test leads, back probe pins, noise lights. Down in here I have a serpentine belt tool, hose cutter. These are just feeler gauges, Ford spark plug puller for when they break, ignition module tools for Ford, spark plug installer, a GM 3.1, 3.8 rocker arm tool, and then just a micrometer stretch belt tool. And here's just seal puller, bearing race driver and seal installer, small Pitman arm puller, and just a utility knife like for windshields. Down here I have a fuel pressure gauge from Mac, compression tester from Snap-on, a Mac ball joint press, OEM pulley puller installer, and over here I just got bit kit from Irwin, more just random screwdriver bits, some unibits, taps, more extractors, and I just got some clip removers, some bigger drill bits. In here I have files, snap ring, pliers, pot rivet gun, radiator hose clamp remover, it's for the hard to reach ones, tin snips, some tape measures, razor blades. Down here I have a set of Mac, two sets of them, one metric, one standard, stud pullers. These things, they're handy. I've only used them once. And this is just your standard rethreaders, not tap and dies. These are rethreaders. These are just your general disconnect tools. A bunch of different manual ones, the AC ones. These are for the horseshoe style clips. Like that. For removal and installation. And I have just a grinder down here, just a bunch of miscellaneous like gloves, transmission funnel, box full of change, a part for my truck, barbecue lighter, and that's it.